In this video I am going to tell you how to verify integrity of games in Steam. So these are the some games which I have installed in Steam. So what you need to do, you need to first of all launch Steam, then you need to click on library option. This is a library option, you just need to click here. Next, after that you need to right click on any of the game. For example, I will select this VR game and I'll just right click on this, and I need to click on properties option. This is the option property, just need to click on this. So after clicking on properties, you need to click on install files, and herein you will get an option of verify integrity of the game files. So you just need to click on this and follow the online instructions. I hope friends now you will be able to do it. In case you face any problem, you can comment below and I will make sure to give you reply. And if you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button, also subscribe my channel for my upcoming videos.